It's a milestone that no one wanted to reach. 15 million people have now been infected with coronavirus. More than a fifth of them live in the United States. Brazil and India are the two other countries which have more than 1 million cases. But experts warn the worst of the pandemic is yet to come.
After all that we've been through, after all the suffering and death, we still have just a fraction of the population that's been infected. It's probably on the order of a few percent, maybe up to 10% of the population in some of the hardest hit countries. What that means is well over 90% of the world's population is still susceptible. So we need to understand that we're in the early days.
It's believed we're detecting only 1 in 10 cases due to, among other things, testing problems in many countries and patients without symptoms. A new study in India, which randomly tested more than 20,000 residents in Delhi, showed more than a fifth of them actually had antibodies to the virus.
11 में से 8 डिस्ट्रिक्ट दिल्ली में
8 out of 11 districts in Delhi had a prevalence higher than 20%.
Back in 1918, during the world's most severe influenza pandemic, which lasted more than a year, around 500 million people, or a third of the world's population, was infected, with at least 50 million, or roughly 10% of them dying. Coronavirus has been with us for 7 months, has infected 15 million and killed 616,000 or 4% of sufferers, and the numbers are still climbing. The rate of new infections shows no sign of slowing. After the first COVID-19 case was reported in Wuhan, China in early January, it took about 15 weeks to reach 2 million cases. It's taken just a bit more than 1 week to rise from 13 million to the 15 million we're seeing today. The milestone also highlights COVID-19's prevalence compared to the flu. Already, it's at least 3 times higher than annual influenza numbers, and the death toll is almost at the upper range of yearly influenza deaths. Yvonne Yong, ABC News.